everyone, welcome back to Satya S. Sarnam. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is going to be home pedicure. Before getting into the video, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I post new videos. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. First, you will need baking soda. If you don't have baking soda, you can take a teaspoon of salt also. Next, in order to scrub our foot, you will need body scrubber or even a old brush. It's fine, you can use either of one. Next, you will need hair shampoo or a hair gel. Next, a razor so that to remove the hairs. Next, we need 2 lemons. Next, to remove nail polish, you will need nail polish remover, nail polish. Next, in order to moisturize our foot after pedicure, you will need moisturizer. I have taken aloe vera moisturizer. Next, in order to scrub our foot, you will need scrubber. You can use homemade scrubber or any scrubber of your choice. Now, take a tub and add warm water to it. Add hair gel or hair shampoo and mix it thoroughly so that we can form bubbles in it. Once that is done, just take a half lemon and add the juice to it. Lemon is used to lighten our skin and reduce dark spots. Mix the lemon juice with the water. Next, take a tablespoon of baking soda or salt and add to the water. This baking soda will help in lightening our dark spots and in pigmentation also. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon or hand and we are good to go. Mix it thoroughly so that the shampoo, the baking soda and the lemon mixes well with the water. Just make sure that the water is not too hot. Now just place your foot inside the water gently and allow it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now take a lemon and just rub it all over your foot so that all the dead cells and the dirts get removed. Wherever you feel dark spots or black dots, just rub it all over there in both of your feet. Now once the scrubbing is done, if you have any hair over the feet or the toes, just remove it using the razor so that it gives you a clean finishing. Just do it carefully. Once the hairs are removed, then just take some scrub on your hand and massage it gently on your toes and feet in a circular motion so that whatever dead cells are there, it will be removed easily and it cleanses your toes. If you have cracked heels, don't just pressure on the cracked heels, you will get hurt. Just do the process very gently. Just massage it over so that you can remove all the dead cells and dirt on your toes and fingers. Now after this, just take a scrubber or an old brush and scrub it all over between your toes, on your feet and under your feet also so that you can clean it. Nail cutter or cuticle remover and just remove the dirt in between your nails. Just do it carefully. Once that is done, just wash your legs. Wash your legs with cold water. Your legs for some more minutes. You can keep it in the warm water or wash it with cold water. You can continue this process for every 2 days in a week and you will find a good result. After washing with cold water, just wipe it with a clean towel. Now I think you can feel the difference on my feet. Now the next and the final step is to moisturize our foot. Just take a favorite moisturizer of yours and apply it gently on your foot. I could see a good difference on my foot Just take a moisturizer and apply it gently on in circular motion so that you will feel a relaxing effect. Once that is done, you can paint your nails with your favorite nail polish and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was informative. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Take care. If you have any comments, just leave me your comments in the comment section and do subscribe to my channel.